Okay, let us go through this question. The question is, find the number of integral pair of xy which satisfy the equation below. Okay, so first of all I'm telling you a little basic which method I'll be using. So if say equation is like ax plus by equal to 1 upon a, so as soon as you see this equation and you have to find the integral pair, so what you should do is you should directly write it as x minus this n na y minus nb equal to ab into n square. Okay, ab into n square, and then you should break this particular thing into factors and check it. Okay, so for now I'll be telling you, so the same thing I'll be applying here as well. Okay, so 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 20. Okay, so as told, x minus this is n is 1, sorry, n is 20 and a is 1, so this will be 20. Now similarly b is 1 and n is 20, so y minus 20, and RHS will be a into b into n square, so this will be 20 square. Now the question is integral pair with x greater than integral pairs with x greater than equal to y. Okay, so first of all let's break this. 20 square can be written as 4 into 5 whole square, so this is basically 2 square into 5 whole square, so this 20 square is basically 2 to the power 4 into 5 square. So number of factors will be how much? 5 into 3, 15. Okay, 15 factors. Okay, so if there are, say, if I take a number 6, okay, so its factor will be 1 2 3 and 6. Okay, its number of factors are how much? If you do it by formula, this is 4. Okay, so 2 times the 2 factors are less than if we do the product, if we take this as x and y, so if we do x and y, so 1 will be certainly less than greater 1 will be greater than this. Okay, so if we take 1 and 6, so y will be greater, and again if you take 2 and 3, then this will be greater. So in 50% of the cases, first factor will be greater than the second, or whatever you take. Okay, now here we have 15. Okay, so here we have 15 number of factors we got as 15. Okay, so 15 we got as, so 1 when it is a case of perfect square. So in perfect square 1 will be exact same, so 20 square can be written as 20 into 20 na? So this will be the case when both are equal. Okay, so this is one of the case, and in remaining cases, so 14 cases are left, half will be the cases in which x is greater than equal to y. So 7 will be the cases greater than means greater than y, and 1 will be when it will be equal to y. So 8 cases. But one thing to notice is if we take this as one case was if we take this as 20. Okay, no, this will work over here. So this is the case when we are taking only positive, so both are positive. Okay, now same thing will arise when we take both the cases as negative. Same thing, everything will be same, so 8 cases over here. Okay, but one thing to notice is whenever you do this integral type questions, you should notice this. Okay, there will be one case when we take negative is minus 20 into minus 20. In that case, x minus 20 equal to minus 20, so x will be 0. Okay, so you got x as 0 and y is 0. So as soon as you so these x and y values will put in the original equation. So original equation is this, so 1 by 0 will make it undefined, so this case is gone. Okay, so total we had 16 case, subtract one case, so 15 is the answer to this question. The given answer 13 is wrong. 15 will be the answer to this question. Hope it is clear now.